In this board, I have Naevy switches. They are currently $22.75 for 35 switches. That's about 65 cents per switch. They're a tactile made by AEBoards. I think that's how that's pronounced. I'm not 100% sure. But the top housing is polycarbonate, the bottom housing is nylon, and the stem material is an MPE tactile stem. The spring weight is 58 grams. They are a 3-pin switch, and they are lightly factory lubed. They do feel very sensitive, kind of like when you're driving a car with tight suspensions and you kind of feel every little bump. These switches are fairly smooth, but when typing you really notice the imperfections. They're also fairly light with an early tactile bump. The bump isn't super tactile, but I wouldn't call it a light tactile either. It's kind of right in the middle. In regards to sound, they're a bit shallow. There isn't too much depth to them. They also don't have a very deep or defined sound. It kind of feels like lubing them didn't really have an effect at all. With that said, here's a sound test. I feel that these switches sound and feel cheap, but that's because they kinda are. They're pretty affordable. At least when I got them, they were on sale. They were about $10 for 35 of them. But at the price they're at now, I don't know how I feel about that. They are familiar if you're coming from the pre-built keyboard scene. If you want a slight upgrade in feel and sound from the switches you'd commonly find in pre-built boards, I would recommend this. There's no shame in liking that kind of feel or sound. With that said, I personally don't feel these switches are for me. Again, tactiles are not my favorite. In fact, I've only ever used one tactile I really like, and that's the Azure Dragons a friend had in his board. These have a very loosely assembled feeling that I think benefits from films and a bit heavier lubing. The stem has a lot of wobble, so being able to fill in some of the gaps may help with the smoothness, but right now it's a bit jittery. Just keep in mind that this is my opinion, and although I feel this way, others may like this feel and sound. Either way, thank you for watching this review. I started doing more streaming on Twitch, and I'm thinking about switching to YouTube soon, but it would mean a lot if some of you guys came over there and said hi. I've been enjoying streaming a lot, which is why I haven't been posting as often. If you want to come through though and hang out or ask questions, the link is in my bio. I appreciate you all, and I hope you have an amazing day. Stay squared.